In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a participant's name in Zoom. This is a quick way to fix typos, add roles like presenter or guest, or make sure everyone appears with a clear, consistent display name during your meeting. Before we start, keep in mind that only the host and co-hosts can rename other people. Participants can usually rename themselves if the host allows it, but they won't be able to rename others. First, make sure you're in an active Zoom meeting or webinar. Look along the meeting toolbar and open the Participants panel. On most desktops, you'll see a Participants button at the bottom of the window. If you don't see the toolbar right away, move your mouse over the meeting window to make it appear. On some layouts, the panel may open on the right side of your screen. With the Participants panel open, find the person whose display name you want to change. You can scroll the list or use the search box if it's available in your version. When you've located the right person, hover over their name to reveal more options. Click the three dots, sometimes labeled as More, next to their name. This opens a small menu of controls specific to that participant. From that menu, choose Rename. A small dialog box will pop up with a text field. Type the new display name exactly as you want others to see it. A clear naming format helps a lot in larger meetings. Consider using first name and last name, or first name plus role, depending on your needs. Avoid adding private or sensitive information. This name will be visible to everyone in the session. Once you've entered the new name, click Change to apply it. The participant's display name will update immediately in the participants list and on their video tile, and all attendees will see the new label. This change affects the current meeting and does not permanently modify the person's Zoom account name. If you don't see the rename option, you likely don't have the required permission. Make sure you're the host or a co-host. If you're a participant and can't rename yourself, the host may have disabled that setting for this meeting. Also, if the Participants button isn't visible, try bringing your cursor back into the Zoom window to reveal the controls. That's all there is to it. Open Participants. Open the options for the person you want. Select Rename, type the new display name, and click Change. Use this to keep your meeting organized and easy to navigate for everyone.